Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel and thank you for regularly revisiting and checking all my video updates. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. I'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to lower time frames. In all the time frame analysis, I'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels. Please use this as a reference for entering and exiting on your trades. Higher time frame support and resistance levels are more valid than the lower time frame support and resistance levels. Plan your trade according to the higher time frame support and resistance levels. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action, as explained earlier also, it is still trading within a symmetric triangle, which means it is a range bound market. It still doesn't have a direction. The bullish side or the seller side, bearish side, both are very strong and they're not letting the market to move on any direction, and it is sort of consolidating within this resistance line and the support line. Here also yesterday there was a news. You can notice that it had a very nice bullish trend, but again the price got rejected at this dynamic resistance line. You can also notice that the current price action is forming a red candle, which means the price is getting rejected and a trend reversal is happening. But we already know that there is a very strong support between 1813 and 1801. So I am expecting it to consolidate over this area, then go on a downtrend or go on a bullish trend. But still you can see that the area for trading is becoming narrower and narrower, and we can expect a directional movement as the time goes. And I had also highlighted previously that current price action is forming a similar pattern which is happened over here. There was a consolidation over here, we had a similar consolidation, and this part which is here has been already completed over here. So when we look at the remaining part, this part is still there, which means testing this resistance level, then a retracement. Currently when we notice, it has not gone up to this resistance level, and even if it goes up to this resistance level of 1828 or 1834, I am expecting a trend reversal on the bearish side. Let us see how price action goes today. These are all the support and resistance levels in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I am in daily time frame now, and we have the higher time frame resistance levels and support levels over here, and this is a area of support levels. It is not a single line, and I am expecting the price action to retrace back and consolidate and also still go further down and test this dynamic support level from the symmetric triangle. And when we look at the price action previously also, before making a trend reversal, we have noticed a sharp spike, then retracement, again spike on the bullish side, then a steep fall. I am expecting the same price action to happen here also, because it is trading near the resistance line from the higher time frame. So the price has gone up, so it has taken resistance over here, retrace, take support on the dynamic support line of the channel pattern from the hourly time frame, then bounce back. On the retracement, I am expecting it to break this support line and take support on this area. And when we look at the price action also, previously it has gone up and tested this resistance level, and then the retracement happened, and again it has gone up, only touched this resistance level, and a retracement has happened. And next time when it went, that was yesterday, it didn't manage to go on a bullish side and even to test this level. It has found a resistance at this level. Currently price action is on a bearish retracement. You can see that the bullishness is actually getting weaker and weaker. We already know that the price action was moving in a very nice bullish channel pattern. This support line was acting as a very strong support, and a bullish trend started, and it broke this channel pattern support line. Then a bearish trend started, Currently this trend line is acting as a support for the current price action, but still it has not taken support and started its bullish trend. I am expecting it to break this support line and retrace back on the bearish side. Let us draw the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. The values marked in the red color are the hourly time frame resistance and support levels, and currently the market is making a double top pattern. I am expecting it to take resistance on this dynamic resistance line from the symmetric triangle pattern and then retrace back on the bearish side. Or even if it goes on a bullish side, the next level of resistance is going to be at 1829, and then we can expect the trend reversal. There is not much space left on the bullish side to trend on the bullish direction. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, so this dynamic channel pattern from the daily time frame has acted as a support line for now, and current price action is actually making a double top pattern, and I am expecting a bearish trend reversal. And I have drawn a channel pattern for the 30 minutes time frame also, the blue color parallel line. When we look at the direction of this channel pattern, hourly time frame channel pattern was going very nicely on the upside. When we look at the direction of the 30 minutes time frame, little bit on the lower side, it is not going on a bullish side. So the price action is trying to go on a sideways rather on a bullish side sharp up. So it is in a consolidation. So when the price action retraces, I am expecting the price action to take support on the level of 1813, then little bit of consolidation, and finally fall on the bearish side. Because when we look at the previous price action, it has gone up, then a retracement. So currently also it has gone up, then a retracement, at least up to this dynamic channel support level. Let us mark the support and resistance line. So these are all the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame, and already we are noticing the price action making double top, and the trend reversal is presently happening. Even if it goes on a bullish side, we can expect the price action getting rejected at the level of 1827, then to have a bearish trend reversal. As always, you can draw trend lines like this to understand the direction of the price action. Once this support or the trend line is broken, you can go on a bearish side trade. If the price action bounces back from this support line, you can go on a bullish side. This line will help you to decide on your entry and exit on your trades. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now, and we have the dynamic support line from the channel pattern of hourly time frame. We have the support level from the daily time frame running over here also. And currently when we notice the price action, it has gone on a bullish side, taken resistance on the symmetric triangle patterns resistance line, and currently the price action is on a retracement. In lower time frame, it is very clearly breaking this support line and it is on a bearish trend. I am expecting it to stop over here, which is around 1813, and consolidate, or if the bearish trend is very strong, we can expect it to retrace back 100% from where it started its bullish trend. This will be around 1802. Let us draw the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame, and the current price action has breached this support line. I am expecting the bearish trend to continue and test this support level of 1813. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.